Everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to save videos from CapCut to gallery. So to do that, let's head over to our CapCut application. And once you are there, just head over to any project or start a new project. Suppose I'm going to this one. And just suppose you have edited the video and you want it to be in your gallery right now. So what you have to do is just to tap on export in the top right corner. And it will load ad. And it will be exported to your gallery like this. And once it is done, you can find it in your gallery. So yeah, this is the way with which you can just save your video from CapCut to gallery. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.